haematococcus. The genus Haematococcus was described by von Flotow in 1844. In the Illustrated Guide to the Protozoa, Haematococcus is classified among the Valvacida. The most common species is Haematococcus pluvialis. In toto, there are at least 10 named species. Haematococcus is a solitary, ovoid to ellipsoid, motile chlorophyte. It has a characteristic, somewhat random rotatory motion. When the cell becomes immobilized as the result of the flagella adhering to the cover slip, the contractions of the flagella produce a wobbling motion. The cell wall of Haematococcus constitutes a thin, membranous container. The cell body proper is attached to the membrane by cytoplasmic strands. The cell body is ovoid in outline, but it has a knobbed tip at one end from which emanate two long flagella. The flagella are seen here, constrained by cover slip pressure. The wide rim of space between the cell body and the cell wall is filled with a gelatinous, watery matrix. The nucleus is centrally located. It is surrounded by a green chloroplast with pyrenoids. It should be noted that the reddish pigment which these cells can accumulate in sunlight does not involve the nucleus. Haematococcus has multiple tiny, randomly active vacuoles which can be observed periodically emptying. And in the presence of excessive ultraviolet light, Haematococcus can accumulate quantities of a bright red extraplastidial collection of the hematochrome astaxanthin. This slide serves to review the aforementioned features of Haematococcus. In the latter part of the video on the viewer's lower left, the plane of the organism's flagella comes into view.